Hey guys, Greg with Fun and Sun RV. Good morning. Time for another walkabout. This time it's on our Flagstaff Classic Superlight 8529 RKSB. And here she is. And it's a great ultralight fifth wheel. We'll start our walkabout at the front. Right here we have the turning point trail air, so we actually can move the pivot point from here to here, which you would need to do like if you had a 5.5 foot bed truck. So this fifth wheel can actually do that. We do have some nice docking lights built into the cap, as well as underneath the trailer here too. Right there, got a nice light. All your interior and exterior lights are LED. We do have solar panel hookup right there. And over here, this does have this auto level up 4-point system. So all you have to do is turn it on, hit the auto level, and away she goes. She'll level it up for you automatically. And obviously instructions on how to do that. Right here is your service compartment. Let's see if I can get her unlocked. There we go. And the nice thing about these compartment doors, not only are they a lot thicker, but they have magnetic stays to hold the door up there for you, which is nice. And then you have your full pass-through storage, and this coach is 6-sided aluminum framing, so roof, floor, sidewalls, everything is aluminum, including structural areas like bed frames, dinette boxes. All that stuff is also aluminum reinforced. Then right here we do have a docking station, and the neat thing with this is it tells you exactly how to set up your water system for whether you're dry camping or whether you're going to be hooking up direct, or for winterizing or actually sanitizing it out too. You just turn these valves color coordinated and you're set to go. Plus you have your city water hookup here and a black water flush, as well as a water pump switch right there. So when it comes time for winterizing, it just makes it a whole lot easier to winterize it because it pumps out here. You also have cable TV and satellite hookups right there, and your hot and cold running water mixer faucet right here, which does go to this nice spray attachment, which is a nice feature. Mosey on our way around. We do have the marine style plugs now, getting away from the old telescoping plugs, which helps eliminate insects and rodents from getting inside your coach. Even your taillights and everything on the outside are LED, as well as inside, so all your inside lights, they're LED too. 4-inch tubular bumper to store your sewer hose, and this is nice too. They are putting 2-inch hitches on them already standard, so you can carry a boat or bicycle carrier or whatever. And then we do have a ladder rack on here and a nice tapered roof profile right here too, which gives you good water runoff with pour spouts on the end, and backup camera prep right there. So if you want to put a backup camera on, you can do so. Around the awning side, again, all your compartment doors do have these nice slam locks, and they are a lot thicker. There's more storage, and you can see right there, even the cabinetry, it's all aluminum framed. Nice touch. TV hookups, so you got to place them on your TV right here, and your cable can hook up there, as well as your 110 plug here. And we do have a nice area on here to mount a barbecue grill over in the back, or a little shelf. And this is a nice feature too. This is a mom and pop fifth wheel that does have an outside kitchen. So this is going to give you a nice swing around stove. They get a 2-burner stove. Swings around out of the way, as well as a good size beverage cooler or refrigerator right there. And you have your basically like an awning on here too, as well as your main awning. That is one thing nice about Flagstaff on these classic superlights. They do put 2 awnings on there, of which both have LED strip lights as well as outside speakers, and still has a patio light too, which is nice. These have all got the super step on here too, which is much stronger than the old telescoping. The trailer doesn't wiggle near as much when you get in and out of it, and an oversized grab handle right there. And that about wraps it up for the outside of the Flagstaff Classic Superlight 8529 RKSB. Let's check out the inside, shall we? And here we are inside the Flagstaff Classic Superlight 8529 RKSB, and check her out. This is a brand new floor plan. It's a rear kitchen layout with 3 slide outs. And we will start our walkabout at the theater seating right here. So you actually have theater seating, which does give you nice little TV trays if you want to watch TV, as well as beverage storage right there. And you do have a nice storage area with USB charging ports back in there. Also, what's nice are all your theater seats are actually heat and massaged equipped, and these are also incliners, so they actually incline out just like what you'd have at home, which is a nice feature. Also, we have a nice breakfast bar built in here with 2 chairs. Very nice touch. And all of your countertops are a real solid surface countertop, as well as all your sinks are flush mount, under counter mount sinks with a nice 2-bowl stainless steel sink with a metal faucet, high rise with a sink spray attachment. Nice little touch there. And again, under counter mount. All of the drawers on a classic Superlight are actually all full extension, and they do have the self closers, so when you close them they actually stay put. And nice little scrubby tray right there, and a good amount of storage underneath the galley as well as the wastebasket right there. Nice overhead cupboards with a crown molding treatment right through there. They're all wood cabinet doors, which is nice, and even your stiles and your rails, this is all real wood that's wrapped and pocket screwed together. So they're not just stapled like a lot of manufacturers, they literally pocket screw them together. And also, you'll notice all your hinges are a residential type adjustable hidden hinge, which is nice. So you don't have the ugliness of the hinge, and again, they're basically self closers right there. Plenty of kitchen storage space over around by the stove and the microwave area. Again, a nice little area here for storage, and here half shelved. And we have a residential size microwave too, 1.3 cubic foot microwave built in. And Flagstaff also includes a 3-burner range with an oven. And here you go, you got your oven, you got light switches on your knobs so you can see them clearly, as well as a switch in the oven so you can see what's going on in the oven. It is an oversized oven, so it is bigger than most. And these lights on the knobs just make them more readable. And they're all matchless too. All you have to do is just turn your burner on and turn that knob there, and away you go, the burner lights up. And this is nice too. They have a flush mount bifold burner cover on here, which just flips up. You have your nice 3-burner range with cast iron grates, more like what you'd have at home. Over back here is your knife rack, so you do have a nice safe area to store your knives while you travel. And right here is the oversized gas and electric refrigerator. The nice thing with this is it does give you the propane to make it fully self-contained. All you have to do is push that button to turn it on, and there you go. The nice thing with these is they do automatically switch over from gas to electric automatically as long as you have it turned on. So if you're plugged into 110, it runs on 110. If you unplug it, it will switch over to gas, so you don't have to worry about doing it yourself. Nice touch. Again, on another slide out here, we do have a U-shaped dinette booth. And the nice thing with this is we do have storage underneath both dinettes. And again, it's all real wood drawers, full length extension right there. And then you have a freestanding high-low table, so you can use it as a coffee table, or you can use it to make that down into a bed, because that dinette will roll down to a bed if you would like. Entertainment center area, a good sized TV, and a nice little feature here is they do have this set up so you can unlock it, open it up, and there you go. They give you a ton of extra storage behind the TV area. Very, very nice. Swings around, locks in, and then you do have your AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetoothable stereo that does just about everything, including playing MP3s, iPods, iPads, whatever you want. So very, very nice stereo with a sound bar. And then we do have an electric fireplace, which is actually a heatolator as well. So you can heat this trailer on electric if you would like. Nice touch. And we'll go on up to the front. Actually, we do have a sofa right here first, which does make into a bed. So that's a trifold memory foam sofa. And again, you have a nice touch up on top with the crown molding, backlighting. They do a really, really nice job. And we'll check out the bathroom next. And that's right here. And the cool thing with the classic Super Lights is they have the oversized showers in them, which do have the settees. Very nice. We do upgrade our toilets to a Dometic China bowl toilet, not the plastic. We have a nice little storage area right there, as well as towel bars and a high CFM fantastic fan. And what's really nice is the bathroom fan does have a Max Air vent cover on it as well, so that you can leave the vent open even when it's raining outside. And then the high CFM vent transfers air really well. And on a classic Super Light, they do put an average of 2 to 3 Max Air vents standard in their coaches. A nice vanity area with storage down below. Sink, metal faucet, and this is nice too, a little shelf. You can put a glass as well as your toothbrushes, and a nice medicine cabinet. Hey guys, which gives you a nice storage area for your medicines, all wood built in. And this is a cool feature too. Your showers do have the water saving system, so it actually allows you, when you're not hooked up direct and if you're using the potable water tank, of recirculating the water until it heats up, so you don't waste any water that way. You just turn the valve on. Moving on up to the bedroom, we do have a nice master bedroom area with a ton of storage, because you've got this full wardrobe in the front here. So you have a slider wardrobe there, as well as door closet that does have a removable shelf, so it makes it a very versatile storage area. 2 more big drawers underneath here, as well as inside the closet you have, again, nice storage area there. Shoe storage to the back, and still has the hang up area right there for hanging clothes up there as well. Really a functional wardrobe space. On the other side, basically it's the same. You have the storage area right there with the shoe storage, but more importantly, this unit is prepped for a washer and dryer, so you can put a washer and dryer in here if you so desire, which really then makes it self-contained. Your bed standard is a king size bed, so it's a residential king bed, and you do have these nice nightstands, 1 on each corner, and they do have 110 volt plugs too underneath the nightstands for CPAPs, alarm clock, whatever. You got a plug in there with a nice shelf here, so you got a place to put your CPAP and your stuff right there. A nice headboard right there with accent lighting, and the bed actually slides out, so that way there it gives you a nice big bedroom area. And here again, you have a nice chest of drawers. Again, all full length extension. They're nice deep drawers, and they are again all real wood with the self closers. And last but not least, we have our power panel, which is located right there. And this is kind of the brains of the whole thing. This will actually take care of all your slide outs, your light controls, water heater controls, monitor panel. Everything is all on here. And also you have your light switches for interior lights, all that good stuff right there. The ceiling fan switches right here. And you do have Wi-Fi Ranger. Turn it off now, because you do have Wi-Fi Ranger, which is a hotspot. So you actually can turn your RV into a hotspot, so you get your internet pretty much anywhere. Nice little touch there. And that about wraps it up for the inside of the Flagstaff Classic Superlight 8529 RKSB. If you have any questions on this unit, please contact Coopersville at 616-837-9768, or you can contact our Ludington location at 231-845-8282.
or just visit us on the web at www.fnsrv.com. Again, this is Greg Grossenbacher with Fun and Sun RV, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Happy camping and have a great day. Bye-bye.